Okay, don't laugh. I tapped my screen and now it's shrunk. And I'm like, oh man, give me my screen back. There it is. It's like, go ahead and make it big again. I need to remember that. Don't tap your screen. Okay. And I think I've lost my stuff. All right, so back to what I was saying to you guys there is just that idea, find your 2 points, plug your points in, and that's how you do the equation for the line. So it's nothing different than what we've already done. It's just that it's not going to come out as exact as you would like it to because you are estimating your line. So when you look at your answer against the answer key, you're going to have to be okay with the fact that you're estimating your line. So it's not going to be exact. Okay, I have one other thing that I'm going to show you guys real quick. All right, one other thing to show you guys real quick on this, and we will be done. This is just the idea of negative angles. All right, if we've got if they tell us 4r plus 3u, okay, that's a rectangular coordinate. Okay, and that just tells me the location of a point. That tells me that there's a point right there, and that's where that point is. It's over 4 and it's up 3. Okay, with a polar coordinate, okay, the polar coordinate is going to tell me, this right here. Okay, with the polar coordinate, I'm going to get the idea that I'm going up 36.87 degrees and I'm going out 5 units. So this is going to tell me that here's this point and that it is 5 units that way, and that I will have gone from this due east, that it's going to be north 36.87 degrees. All right, so looking at that, this is going to be the difference between that rectangular coordinate just giving me that 1 point, the polar coordinate giving me the degrees as well. Okay, so looking real quick, with my polar coordinate, I can identify that point by either positive degrees or negative degrees. So when I look at this right here, I've got from here, remember this right here was due east. Okay, and I head north 36.87 degrees. Well, if instead of heading north, if I started this way and I headed south and I went around and came back this way, okay, on this outer side of the circle, this is going to be a negative 323.13 degrees. Okay, and I just wound up finding that, of course, by the fact that there's we look at it as if I'm here at east, and if I start here and I go around this way, my circle is negative 360 degrees, right? Okay, so I'm going to have that negative 360 degrees, and I've got this positive 36.87 is going to give me this negative 323.13. Of course, you're going to wind up just taking 360. You're going to subtract the 36.87, you're going to come up with 323.13. But then you got to remember the fact, okay, that's the negative degrees. All right, so this point up here can be written as either 5 36.87 degrees or 5 negative 323.13 degrees. Okay, those are the same point. It's just which way you're looking at it, whether you're looking at it as we're east and we're going north, that's going to be a positive, or if we're east and we head south, that's going to be negative. Okay, so for the positive, you're going counterclockwise. For the negative, you're going clockwise. Okay, and that is all that she wrote. That is all that you guys have for this week. Any questions that you guys have with any of that? I know I have to go ahead and let y'all go, but any questions you have? It was easy peasy.
Yep.
I say the quadratic formula, it looks ugly. Walking through the process, you just moved a lot of stuff around, but in the end, if you just memorize the quadratic formula and then you just put the things in the right order, you just plug the numbers in place of the letters, it's really fine. And that thing with the data points, it's what you were doing all along. It's just finding the equation of a line. So you just have to remember, I've got to draw 2 lines, find 2 points on the lines that I can get the equation of it, and do that twice. So anyhow, someone texted and asked me what lesson I wanted you guys to turn in. I think it's 64. I put it in an email for you guys that you're going to get, but yeah, like lesson 64, go ahead and scan that, send it to me. Do know, by the way, it is not our plan to be virtual for the whole semester. That's totally not the plan at all. It's the plan for the moment, just because we have a lot of COVID in the area. That should be, hopefully going away, and we will be back in person. But until then, we're thankful that we have this option, right? Okay, you guys go forth and take a break for a minute before your next class.
Thank you.
Alrighty, take care, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, Tara.